In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an Airtable database from scratch. We'll go through the full setup process in a simple, practical way so you can create a database that's clean, organized, and easy to manage. If you're new to Airtable, think of it as a flexible system that combines the familiarity of a spreadsheet with the structure of a database. To begin, open Airtable and create a new base. A base is the main container for your information, so this is where your project or system will live. When creating it, choose a name that clearly reflects what the database is for. Keeping the base name specific will make it easier to identify later, especially if you end up creating several different workflows. Once your base is ready, add tables for each type of data you need. Tables help separate your information into logical groups. For example, if you're organizing a business workflow, you might have one table for projects, another for clients, and another for tasks. The key idea here is to avoid mixing unrelated information into one place. Giving each category its own table makes the database easier to understand and much more scalable over time. Next, create the fields inside each table. Fields are the columns that define what kind of information each record will hold. Depending on your needs, you can add text fields for names or notes, number fields for quantities or budgets, date fields for deadlines, attachment fields for files, status fields to track progress, or formula fields to calculate values automatically. Choosing the right field type matters because it improves accuracy and helps Airtable behave more intelligently. After that, start adding records into each table. Records are the individual entries in your database. In other words, they're the rows. As you enter information, try to keep it consistent. Clear naming and complete details will make filtering, sorting, and reporting much easier later on. The next step is to link tables together using linked record fields. This is one of the most powerful parts of Airtable because it allows related information to connect across tables. Instead of duplicating data, you create relationships between records, which keeps everything cleaner and reduces errors. Once your data is connected, create views such as grid, calendar, Kanban, or gallery. Views let you look at the same information in different ways depending on what you need to focus on. This makes the database more useful for both planning and day-to-day work. Finally, review the entire database structure and make sure it feels organized and easy to use. Check that tables are named clearly, fields make sense, records are complete, and relationships are working properly. A quick review at the end helps ensure your Airtable database is not only functional, but also efficient and easy to maintain.